Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is teejaayifejika if you don't already know. So look y'all, we're traveling in like 2 days. So let's get ready together, okay? I gotta get a wax, I gotta do my nails. I don't know if I'm gonna do my lashes, but we're getting a facial, we're doing our hair. This vlog is literally gonna be maintenance, okay? So I need to head out now for my wax appointment. We gotta get the coochie waxed, okay? Because we're gonna be on a beach, we're gonna be vibing, bikinis, all that, and she needs to look like a hairless cat, okay? So let's go ahead and get out. Ooh, this wax is about to hurt. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a minute since I waxed, so she's gonna be a kiki, but we're gonna eat it, okay? We're gonna eat it. This whole process took me for a doozy. It took me for a doozy, but I'm done with my wax. I'm done with my wax now. I'm about to get dressed and get up out of here. We're gonna go do our facial and just, yeah, because this wax took me out. This wax took me out.
And if you wish me bad, I swear I'm about to send her. She just love my go me love, leave me bother. And if my success they disturb you, go recover.
Alright y'all, so I'm here to get my facial. I'm in the restroom right now. I'm about to pretty much use the restroom and then get ready for my facial. Like, my face right now, she's a little dull. Okay, I pretty much did my skincare myself this morning really quickly, but I'm really looking to take care of like all these blemishes that I have, just figure out how to get a more even and clear skin tone. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna take y'all along the process. I wrapped my hair up. Y'all, I can't wait to do my hair because this right here, she's not cute, but we thugging it out because we're gonna get cute tomorrow, okay? So I'm gonna see y'all when I get in there and see what we talking about. Yes. How are they doing?
Spend a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up the gas. Put your legs in the Grand Rapids. We're the one that kept it cool without a nigga till these niggas start acting. Show the nigga like film minutes moving there. Go to the math. We ballin' like the March Madness. All these cops shootin' a nigga tragic. I don't wanna live in lavish, like I'm playing for the Mavericks. I don't want it for the bitch that might make me fuck her even though she average. Dirty money in the cook, the 45 by my good. When y'all niggas in the cook, take you out for some joints. Count this money, no rush. I'm on a one-way flush. Loud pants, spending money. These fucking police can't touch me. These police can't touch me. These fucking niggas can't touch me. I'm trying to pressure with the VBS. I try to fall like a watershed. Try to fall like a watershed. If it up and on.
The extraction part of this process was OD. I was literally, I don't want to say screaming, but it was a lot. These are the things you gotta do to have clear skin, okay? Take care of your skin, y'all. So my skin treatment is done. About to get ready and get up out of here. It was 10 out of 10. I will leave where I was at on the screen and in the description box. I look absolutely crazy. I cannot wait to do my freaking hair. Like, I just can't with this wig. But overall, she said that my skin is great. I just have like little breakouts here and there. Like I said, that extraction was OD, but I was able to get through it because Lord knows. Yeah. So I'm looking forward till tomorrow when my skin will, you know, when you sleep and you wake up, that shows what your skin routine is really doing. So I'm excited for tomorrow. I'm about to put on my clothes and we're gonna get up out of here so we can go do our nails.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Yeah. What we don't sound 2025. That shit.
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Abby? Was it Natalie? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function?
Morning. It's Friday. Y'all, I just woke up. It's currently, well, I didn't just wake up, but I'm waking up out of the bed today. It's currently 7:42. About to brush my teeth. So I know we didn't talk too much yesterday after I got my nails done. Y'all, my nails, this was the quickest nail set I've ever gotten. The guy who was doing my nails, I was literally in there for like 45 minutes. I ended up fixing my toe that broke. It was just like chipped or whatever. He helped me fix that, and he did my nails in like 30 minutes. Granted, they are just short white nails. I was trying to do something more intricate, but my nail tech didn't have availability this week, and I booked her for next week, but I may just end up canceling her because I don't want to go redo my nails again, to be honest. So anyways, today is hair day. We're gonna go get our hair done today. I do have an appointment at 1 p.m. So first we gotta take off my hair. I have cornrows in right now. We're gonna take it off. I'm gonna perm my edges as well. We're gonna shave and wax my armpits together. And then I'm gonna shower, wash. It's basically gonna be like an everything shower. Hair, body, all of that. Yeah, but yesterday I ended up going to the mall after the nail shop, picked up a couple of things, and then hopped on the grill, ate dinner, and then went to bed. I was tired, but today, full day of stuff. We're gonna finish packing stuff later. I do have a package coming in, so we're gonna do that together. So I'm currently waiting for my matte wax spot to melt. I did get this wax from Amazon. I like to spray this pre-wax treatment that comes with the kit. Rub that in. I kind of already waxed myself like last week or so, so this process is literally just going to be trying to catch those little hairs. Waxing my armpits. I put in more wax because I want to do like my happy trail, my little stomach area, places that my waxer didn't get. So now I'm gonna go in with this after wax spray. I like to spray this on the cotton rounds and then do it. And this just helps take off the wax, any residue that was left over. I'm gonna link this kit in my Amazon storefront because this kit, if you're really into waxing yourself, this would be the best thing for you. It's already 8. I wanna be done taking down my hair by like 8:45 so that I could wash it by like 9.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?
my hair in twists so that when I go wash it, it's easier and I'm like able to really get in my roots how I want to. Okay, so that's why I'm taking them out and twisting it, because I wash my hair in sections. I have really thick 4C hair, so this method is the best way that I can clean my scalp accurately, properly, and really get up in there, because my scalp is gonna be out for this trip, so I really don't want a dirty scalp, you know what I'm saying? Like, if it was for under wigs, then I'll just do a quick 1-2, but my scalp's gonna be out. All right, so this is what it's looking like. I'm about to go shower. She's starting to tingle, so I'm gonna go shower and wash her off and then wash my hair. So my hair is officially done being washed. It's done. I've already blow dried it, pressed it out. So now it's currently 11:15. I'm kind of hungry. I want to eat before I do head out. I'm really upset that my lash tech didn't have any availability for me to get my lashes done. But then again, I can't be too mad because this was a last minute trip. I literally booked this on Tuesday. So I have to work with what I have. Like, I still have my appointments for next week, but I want my lashes done. But clusters it is. So I made it to the salon. I'm currently in a room. I'm waiting for my braided to come. I actually ended up having to switch from another location to this location because the people that were gonna do my style that I wanted, they weren't available, which is fine. They still could get me in. I just had to drive a little bit longer, but it's cool. My hair, as you guys know, like, I'm natural, so like sometimes the hair that after I press it out, it'll, you know, it gets all the water from outside. So my hair right now is pretty puffy, but hi, how are you? My hair is frizzed up again, but this is the style that I want to do. I'm going to insert it on here so you guys can see the style that I'm going for. I'm low-key trying to find something to watch. I don't really watch Hulu like that, but I just want to put on something. Is this Morris Chestnut? We could watch this. I found something. Let's see how this process goes. Hopefully everything comes out good. I'm excited to get my hair done. Like, I've been needing braids. I've been needing the hair and I'm tired of the wigs. Okay, so we'll see how this goes.
And if you wish me bad, I swear I'm back to sender. She just love my go me love, leave me bother. And if my success they disturb you, go recover. If you know be money, no they call me, no disturb.
Spend a day to get my mind blown. Dress it up and go to Nassau. 200 miles on the dash. Gotta roll a pound up the gas. Put your legs in the Grand Rapids. We're the one that kept it cool without the niggas till these niggas start acting. Show the niggas like the film, minutes moving there, gon' let them have it. We ballin' like the March Madness. All these cops shoot the nigga tragic. I don't wanna live in lavish, like I'm playing for the Mavericks. I don't want it for the bitch that might make me fuck her even though she average. Dirty money in the cook, it's 45 I'm a good. When young nigga in the cook, take you out for some joints. Count this money, no rush. I'm on a one-way flush. Loud pants, spending money. These fucking police can't touch me. These police can't touch me. These fucking niggas can't touch me. Apply the pressure with the VBS. I try to fall like it was a shit. Try to fall like it was a shit. Lift it up and go and all set. Fucking cool like she holiday.
All right, y'all. My hair is pretty much done. It's so many hours later. Honestly, she's really cute. She's really long. Let me show y'all real quick. This is what my hair is looking like from the back. Yeah. I'm gonna do my baby hairs when I get to where we're going. I'm ready to get out. It's 1 a.m. Our flight is at 6, but we're going to leave at 3. Okay, so I ended up doing my clusters myself because my lash tech decided that she didn't want to respond and she didn't have the availability for me, and that is okay. But the hair is really pretty, y'all. Like, I just put it up in whatever style I could because I just can't be bothered right now with the hair. Like, she's long. Like, she's long, but she's cute. So this is my outfit for the airport. I have on this top that I got from Fashion Nova, and then I have on some Skims that I bought at the mall yesterday. It's the fold over sweatpants. And this is what I'm wearing to the airport. We leave in about 2 hours. I don't know if I'm gonna sleep or not, but the bags are packed. We're doing some cleaning up. Bless you. We're doing some cleaning up before we go, but your girls' bags are packed and ready to go.
Thanks to me. Thanks to me.
Bruh, just wash the dishes. This pretty much concludes the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a long 48 hours, but I made it to the end. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video, in the next vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Bye.